Welcome to the Mystical Sciences. I'm Anish here. As we are doing the meditation series, today we will be doing Mudra meditation. Mudra meditation is nothing but using mudras. We are going to do meditation actually. These 7 chakras which are there, we are going to balance these 7 chakras with the help of mudras. See, these 5 fingers are very important in our life, not only for general work. Apart from that, we have 5 elements: fire, earth, metal, air, water and space. That's wood. So these are the 5 elements which we have. So these 5 elements, we have it in our fingers, 5 fingers. This thumb finger is called as the fire element. So this index finger, which is called as the air element. So now this middle finger is called as the Akash, space. Ring finger is called as the earth element. Ring finger is called as the earth element. And finally we have this water. So now you can understand these 5 fingers has 5 elements. So these 5 elements, when there is any imbalance in any of our chakras, we have physical problems. When there are any imbalance in these 5 elements, also we have this physical problems. So now today we will talk about these 5 elements which can balance all the chakras. So chakra balancing using mudras, like we will try to connect these fingers and you will try to create a mudra wherein that mudra can balance your chakra. Okay, so now let's start with the Muladhara chakra, that is the root chakra. So there are different types of mudras for each chakra. So we will see some basic mudras which are there for each and every chakra, starting from the Muladhara chakra. So the Muladhara chakra, the mudra is, so using this thumb finger and the air finger, this is called as the Chin Mudra. So using this particular mudra, body straight, head straight, just relax, inhale deeply, exhale deeply, and we can also chant the mantra. So the Muladhara chakra mantra is Lam. So you can start chanting the mantra Lam. 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 Observe the Muladhara chakra. So now once you are completing your Muladhara chakra, now slowly concentration on the Swadhisthana chakra. The Swadhisthana chakra. So the mudra for this Swadhisthana chakra is just palms like this. Join both the thumbs. Place it. Join both the thumbs. Place it near your Swadhisthana chakra. Body straight. Inhale deeply. Body straight. Inhale deeply. And start chanting the mantra Vam. The Swadhisthana chakra mantra Vam. 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 concentration on the Swadhisthana chakra. Now as your Swadhisthana chakra is healed, slowly bring your concentration on the Manipura chakra. Manipura chakra between both the ribs. The mudra for Manipura chakra is join both the palms like this and your thumbs onto the sides. Okay. Here on the solar plexus chakra, the Manipura chakra, inhale deeply. The mantra for Manipura chakra is Ram. 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 As the Manipura chakra is balanced, now slowly bring your concentration on the Anahata chakra, the heart chakra. The mudra for the heart chakra is create. Join both the little fingers, bend both the ring fingers. Now with the help of middle finger, try to hold the left hand ring finger. With the help of left hand middle finger, try to hold the right hand ring finger, and two index fingers will join, or tips will touch each other. This is the form actually. Just try to put in front of your heart and try to chant the mantra Yam. Inhale deeply. Yam. 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 So once your heart chakra is balanced with the help of the mudra and the mantra, now slowly relax. Now bring your concentration on the Vishuddhi chakra, the throat chakra. Vishuddhi chakra mudra. Join both the fingers, join both the thumbs, and just try to hold it like this. Inhale deep, inhaling deeply. Start mantra Hum. 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 So once your Vishuddhi chakra is energized, just relax. Now slowly bring your concentration on the Agneya chakra between both the eyebrows. Now join both the middle fingers, bend all the fingers, hold it in this form in front of your heart. Inhale deeply, chant the mantra Om. 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 So once you are healing your Vishuddhi chakra with the help of the mudra and the mantra, relax. Now slowly bring your concentration on the Sahasrara chakra, the top of the head, and the mantra and mudra for join both the palms. Bring your palms to the prayer pose. Now only accepting the little finger, rest all fingers you will be keeping in this form. Okay, inhale deeply. The mantra for the Sahasrara chakra is Om. 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 Sahasrara chakra is healed. Just relax. Now inhale deeply. Observe every chakra from the top of the chakra. Sahasrara, Agneya, Vishuddhi, Anahata, Manipura chakra, Swadhisthana chakra, and the Muladhara chakra. All the chakras are healed now. Now with the help of mudras, with the help of mantras, you have healed all your chakras. Now all the chakras are balanced. Now enjoy the happiness in your body, in your chakras, in your mind. As your body, mind is very calm, relaxed, happy, healthy. Always try to live in a happy world. Always try to live in a peaceful world. Always try to live in a relaxed world. Now, please share the happiness among your family, among your friends, among your relatives, among your colleagues, among your society. Make yourself happy. Make your surroundings happy. Make your family happy. Make your society happy throughout your life. Now slowly rub your palms throughout your life. Now slowly rub your palms. Rub your knees. Again rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes in the cups and relax. This is the mudra and mantra meditation. Hope you have enjoyed it. Mudra meditation is very powerful, so that you are trying to balance all the 5 elements in your body. So hope you enjoyed it. Please practice this. Ensure that you are always healthy, happy, peaceful in your life. So thank you all. Thank you.